Hi folks, welcome back to Raakesh iWave app at Techno Hub channel for placement training. In this session, we are going to discuss about Salesforce custom view. First of all, we should know what is list view all about. So there is nothing but a custom list view. We have a standard list view and we have custom list view also. Like we are going to discuss about custom list view now. The list view in Salesforce, a set of search conditions created to extract the specific set of records in your object. In the list view, we can add some search condition, filter it. Only the specific records can be viewed with respect to object. So now let me see how to create a list view. So list view are widely used in Salesforce organization. For standard object, there are some standard list views are available in Salesforce, but for custom object, we have to create the custom list views in the Salesforce.com. For standard objects, there is already predefined list views are there, right? Predefined list views are there. But whereas to custom object, for custom list views, we have to create it. So, right. So now let me see how to create a custom list view. In order to create a custom list view, we have to click to the app launcher, go to select app, go to the select the app, and then launch the app. And then there on the nav bar, you can see lot of tabs would be there. Say custom, like say accounts, and then home. Then we have reports, dashboards, then contacts. Then we have what is it? Invoice object, and so on. Like right. So now what you have to do? Then go to the open the app. Then you can see several tabs. Click on any particular tab. Say accounts. Right. On the bottom, on the down the nav bar, you can see a gear icon will be there. So you click on the gear icon. On the gear icon, when you click on the gear icon, you can see that menu will be displayed. On the menu, you have a new button, new link. When you click on the new link, the new list will be displayed like this. The new list will be displayed like this. And here you're going to enter the list name, and the API name comes automatically. And who sees this list view? Now you have to tell who is going to see the list view. Only that is I can see the list view. All the users can see the list view. Or share the list view with the group of users. Only you are going to view the list view. All the users are going to view the list view, or only the group of people are going to group of users are going to view the list view. I'll go with the second option. All the users can see the list view. Then click on save button. Now click on save button. The view will be created. Then the view will be created. And see here the movement now here. So for accounts. So on the top of account, there is something called account recent is there, right? Then right after that, we have small menu. When I click on that, you get a menu. So recently list view, or all, you can select all the records will be listed. So likewise, we can list all the records, and we can able to view the list here, list view. We can able to view the list view. Got it? At the same time, I can create a filter also. On the right hand side, on the top corner right hand side, you have a filter icon. When you click that, the filter will appear, and you can add your filter here. Now let me see how to add a filter. Now in this filter, I am going to create a custom list view. Now I'm going to say, right, I'm going to say the billing, right, I'm going to say the who is going to be the billing. I'm going to add the filter here. What is the filter field? Which field I'm going to use it, and operator, and what is the value? I'm going to say billing and state provinces equal to CA. Only those records I want to see. Only the state, billing state or provinces should be equal to CA. Only those records I want to view. So I have added the filter and clicking on done. Now we can see only that particular record should be viewed. Only that particular record. Billing state belongs to CA. Only those records, those account details can be viewed here. Right? Those account details can be viewed here. Got it? So like this, we can able to view the list view, right? So likewise, see here, I can able to see, right click on the list view control. I can see new, clone, rename, sharing setting, edit the list filter, select the field to display, delete. So it is able to show the list view controls here, right? These are all the list view controls, and this is going to be the custom list view. You can able to see the custom list view. Select the fields to display, whichever fields you want to the display. You can select the fields to display. See here, so that you're going to select the fields to display here, right? You're going to click on the list view control, and then you're going to select the fields to display. That case, what happens? Select the fields display will be put here. From there, you're going to select the fields here, and then click on save. and then you're going to click on say only those fields will be viewed here. Only those fields will be viewed here. Got it? Now what I'll do, I'll go to the demo now. Right now, I moved to the production environment. I'll close this. I'll close this view. Now I am in the setup. I'm on the setup page. Now I'm in the setup page. Now what I have to do? I have to go for the list view. In order to go for the list view, I'll click on home. Right now, what I'll do, I'll click on app launcher. Right, I'm click on app launcher, and then I'm going to enter recruitment app here in quick find box. Recruitment app. Right, I'll click on app launcher. Again, I'm going to type recruitment. So you get the recruitment app here. It is going to take me to the recruitment app here. Right, I'll click on accounts. At the moment, by default, it is in the accounts tab only. Right, it got selected. Now see here under accounts recently viewed. These are the predefined views here, list views, right? So when I click on this menu, you can see all accounts, my account, last week, this week, new this week, and recently viewed. When I select recently viewed accounts will be displayed here, right? So these are all the predefined views, right, based on the Salesforce standard view. Got it? But now I'm going to create a custom view. In order to create a custom view, I'm going to click on new, and then see I'm going to click on new. But thing is that I'm going to click on gear icon. I'm going to click on gear icon. On the gear icon, I'm going to click on new button, and I'm going to create. See now again, I'll tell you. After coming to recruitment app, I'll click on accounts. After clicking on accounts, I'll go and click on this gear icon. So when I click on gear icon, here it shows list view control. Now I'm going to click on new button, right? And then I'm going to give the name of the list view, accounts list view. Accounts list view. That is my name. Right, and then API name I'm giving, and then who sees this list view? By default, it is certainly first option that only I can see this list view. Then second one is all the users can see the list view. Then share the list view with group of users. I'll go with the second option. Right, all the users can see the list view here. So now, whatever user, respective of all the users who are there in the org in this organization, can able to view this list view. And I'm going to click on save. Now, see that list view has been created. The list view has been created. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a filter. Now, I'm going to create a filter. Where is the filter? On the top right hand side corner, you can see after the gear icon, we have Kanban view. After this, we have undo or refresh. And then we have edit option. Then we have a chart option. Then we have filter. I'm going to click on this filter. I'm going to click on this filter. The filter has been opened here. Right? The filter has been opened. I'm going to click on add filter. I'm going to say the field name. What is that? Account name. I'm going to select billing and provinces. I'm going to say billing, state and provinces is equal to CA. Is equal to CA. Right? Only that much I'm going to view. So field, which field I'm going to view? Billing, state and provinces should be equal to CA. So only those records I want to view. I'll click on done, and then I'm going to click on save button. The filter. So now the filter has been filtered based on the criteria, based on the condition. Whatever criteria I've given, what is my criteria? Billing state should be equal to CA. So I'm able to see only those accounts, those business whose billing state is equal to CA. Only those accounts I can able to view. I can able to view here, right? I can able to view here. Now what I'll do? Now again I'll go to this gear icon. Click on to this. I'll get a menu here. Now you can see now already I've created a list view, right? That is a custom list view. This is a custom list. What is it? Account list view is a custom list view which I've created. So now here we have list of menus here. List view control menu here. When I click on this gear icon, initially only new was enabled, but now you see everything is enabled. Now what I'll do, I'm going to select the field to display. I'm going to select that particular option here. When I click on select the field to display, see here now all the information are there. I don't want it. I want account name, account size, billing and provinces, right? And then what else I wanted? See now I'll click cancel here. So what is it? Account name, account size, billing and provinces, phone number, type, and account owner is here. Now suppose that is the case. Now you click on here. Whichever is required, only that much is sufficient. So that case you can go and select the field to display. If you don't want type, you can make it back. You can send it back. Account owner alias you don't want it. Select this and make it back. Right, only this much you wanted. Then you click on save. only that fields alone will be viewed here. Only that fields alone will be viewed here. Got it? So that like this, you can able to create a custom list view. You can able to apply filter to it, and then you can add the fields, whichever fields you want to view. Only those fields can be added. You can customize according to your need. You can customize your list view according to your need. Got it? So like I'll go back to my slides here. So like I think guys, you have understood the custom list view, right? So it is very clearly said that what is custom list view and how to create a list view. Right thing is that you have to go to the app launcher and select the app, and then you click on accounts or whichever objects, then go to the gear icon, click on new button and create a list view, and then you add the filter, and whatever fields you want, you can add it. So that's how we're going to create a list view, right? If at all you have any doubts, please mail me to info.iwlabs@gmail.com. Please subscribe to our channel or can contact me 85507916 at 8142000037. Got it? So like please be safe and then please study the Salesforce and try to understand the concept so that you can do your Trailhead also. If at all you have any doubts or you want to join 1:1 training or in a batch you want to join the training, please contact me, Raakesh iWave, a Techno Hub channel for placement training, or you can pin me to info.iwlabs@gmail.com. Please subscribe to my channel. So and then click on bell icon so that you will get the notification, and then there you can able to view it. Please stay tuned. Bye bye.